Hello, all you cool cats and kittens. Ha ha ha! Just kidding. I am not that person, and I will never be that person. Plus, they probably trademarked it, so probably can't even use it. Anyway, today I'm going to revisit my Margarita from Disney World's, Disneyland's Galaxy Edge, the Dagobah Slug Slinger. Since I have the correct products now. There's a video of mine, clear down below, that I did a substitution for some of the ingredients, and now that I have the actual ingredients, I am going to try to make and do this properly. So, with that said, oh my gosh, I can't get this open. Why does this happen to me? Anyway, oops. So what I'm gonna start off with is homemade ginger syrup. This is a simple recipe: 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar, and a bunch of ginger. What you do is you let it simmer for about 5-6 minutes. And then if you really want it infused, you cut a little bit of that ginger apart and you put it in the blender and you blend it, and it's gonna get such a very quick, rapid taste to this simple syrup. So I am using this beautiful simple syrup. 1 ounce, half an ounce of ginger simple syrup. I like to double my recipe because I'm a lush, but don't do that. Half an ounce of ginger simple syrup. Put it into my little canister. Now, every time I do a simple syrup with an ingredient, I always put the rest of the ingredients in the same little side that I put the simple syrup, so I can get all of that flavor into the drink. So after the simple syrup, you do 2 dashes of Grapefruit Bitters. Now, this is a disclaimer. I do not know if this is the correct recipe or if this is even the recipe. So keep that in mind. It's just going off of taste. 2 dashes. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. This smells good. 2 dashes Grapefruit Bitters. And you can get this on Amazon, any place that they sell bitters. Next one is going to be an orange tangerine. Shake that up here. And you're going to do 1 ounce of orange tangerine. Throw it into my little thing. There's 1. There's 2. Beautiful. Yummy, yummy. And after that, we do half an ounce of Blue Curaçao, or Blue Curacao, or Blue, however you want to say this. People say this differently. It's like it's an orange liqueur, is what it is. And I do have some of the butterfly pea pods, I believe it's called, and that's actually kind of what they make this out of. So if I really wanted to, I could always do like a clear tequila and do a half an ounce of clear tequila if I wanted to. But I'm not going to. I'm sticking with this. So there's that. Into the mixture. And then 2 ounces of beautiful, ooh, did you hear that cork? Then you know it's a good cork. But anyway, 2 ounces of tequila. And you have to make sure it is the Resposado Tequila. So 2 ounces of this. 1, well, half an ounce. Another half an ounce. Now, that is all that I have for the recipe. So, it could be a missing ingredient in there that I do not know, but from what is on the menu, that is what's on there. And now we are going to grab some ice. We're going to hit it. Definitely want to shake this. Last time I did this, I actually bruised my entire, I don't know if you can see that. There's this huge bruise right here that I hit my, I kind of pinched my skin. So don't do that. It's not smart and it doesn't feel good. Well, this isn't working for me. So I don't have the big square ones. I just have these ice cube trays. There we go. And into there. Now, I am going to shake this. Hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Just kidding. And then we are going to strain. Look at that beautiful green color. Excellent. Let's try this out, see what it tastes like, since it's going to be a little different. It's a lot more citrusy. Oh yeah, that is good. You definitely get your margarita taste. You get your margarita flavor from the tequila, but then you get this nice sweet, this nice citrusy taste because of the orange and the tangerine, and then the couple splashes of grapefruit bitters. Cheers, cheers, cheers. I will put the recipe down below, so try it out. You will not be what is it called? Not depressed. Anyway, I don't know. Try it. So let me know what you think. Since you're down there, giving me a comment, go ahead and subscribe. And with that, we will talk to you later.